How to fix EA connection failed friend list. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So if you're seeking EA connection failed while accessing your friend list, here's a quick guide for mobile and PC users. So first of all, you need to go ahead and restart the game and your device as well. Completely close the application and restart your device. And then after check your internet connection, make sure that you're using a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Also avoid switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi while playing, and disable VPN or proxy if you're using it. EA may block connections through VPNs, and also check EA server status. For that, you need to go ahead and type in help.ea.com in the search bar, hit enter, and then after see and search for your game and look for check server status. You can also try re-login into your EA account. So go to settings and log out of your EA account and log back in. Now try clearing the cache. For that, simply tap and hold on to the EA application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. Then after scroll down and go to storage and clear the cache. Or you can directly go ahead and uninstall this application from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.